forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Linstead TV. Guys, we are back with another house hunting video. Today we are in St Catherine, Linstead in St Catherine, and this development is called King's Landing. It is a new development, gated development, and this development will consist of apartments, townhouses, 3-bedroom houses, 4-bedroom houses and 5-bedroom houses. Okay, coming up we can see a little glimpse of the work that's taking place. So these are the apartments that are currently being built. That's the entrance there, but these are the apartments that are currently being built at the moment. Guys, across the road from the development, it even has its own gas station, and you can see it's called King's Landing. Okay, King's Landing gas station. So this is the development. These are the apartments that are being built at the moment. And the unit we are going to see today is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, currently priced at $270,000 property. And guys, this is the first property I've seen, first of these new developments I've seen with a garage. Not only a garage, but a double garage, which is really a nice feature. Okay, so let's just have a look at the outside. So you've got double garage outside, as mentioned. And this, guys, is the 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom. So you have a little porchway area. And let's take a look inside. Okay, guys, so let's have a look. So to the left is, that door to the left is access to the garage. But as you come in, guys, you can see the space in here. That's the first thing I noticed, was the space compared to all of the other developments I've been in. This was probably one of the biggest ones. So this development does come with 24-hour security, swimming pool, park area, kids playground, fitness centre and stone paved ways and a jogging trail. Okay, and you can see right to the back there to the kitchen. What I like about this one is the high ceilings and the spotlights. And the detail in the ceilings as well. I love that. With this one, guys, you can already see, I think you can see that it is a bit bigger. Here you have space for a 6-seater dining table. In some of the other developments, I mean, you could probably put a little round table in. And also the sofas, there is a 3-seater, a 2-seater and a 1-seater sofa here. Some of the other developments does not accommodate that. Okay, we have the kitchen area. We have a nice kind of breakfast bar area with another seating area there in the kitchen. What I would say about this unit, guys, or what I would say about this development, I think it has a more traditional style over some of the other properties that we've seen, which are very modern. So yes, it has a very modern kitchen, or a modern sink, should I say. But some of the features I feel in this development are a little bit more traditional, not so modern. So there are modern features and finishes and fixtures, but it just has a more traditional feel in this property, I would say. So lots of cupboard space, lots of cupboard space below also. And from the back, guys, let's just have a look at the space of the living dining area. So from the back of the kitchen, this is what it looks like. So it is a lot bigger than a lot that we have seen or that we have featured. Right, to the left of the property, you have the powder room and you have the master bedroom. So let's take a look at the master bedroom. So as soon as you come in, there is a couch. This is how it's been dressed. And I think this is just to give you an idea of the space. Again, we have those spotlights around the ceiling, high ceilings. And this room is one of the biggest rooms we've seen in one of these developments also. So that is a king-size bed. You've got the dresser. So it is a good size room compared to the other new developments that we've seen around the island. Right, this, guys, is by far my favorite feature in the room, probably in the house. So you've got this kind of hallway or passageway leading to the ensuite bathroom, but you have 2 walk-in wardrobes, 2 deep walk-in wardrobes on opposite sides of the hallway. So his and hers. Well, probably hers and hers, ladies, right? By the time we put all our stuff in, there'll probably be a little bit of space left for the men. and we have the same on the opposite side. Guys, what you can't see is above there is like a skylight. So in the ceiling there is a window to let natural light into the walk-in closets, and that features on both of them, which is a really nice touch as well. And then into the master ensuite bathroom. So you've got vanity unit and the tiles that kind of incorporate with the colour scheme of the vanity unit. Double sinks. These are smaller sinks than some of the other developments, but they're nice nonetheless. And then you have your shower. Nice big shower head. I really like this feature here in the shower, which looks like a little seating area, or a place where you can rest your body washes and stuff like that. I would have probably liked to have seen a separate bathtub in the master bathroom, so a standalone shower and a bathtub, but it is a really nice space in here nonetheless. It is a nice big bathroom. Okay guys, I wanted to show you this room from the back, okay, just to give you an idea of the space. So from the back of the room, this is the space that you've got. Okay, opposite the master bedroom, you have the powder room. And again, this feels more traditional more than modern, but it is a really nice space. So if you like the traditional feel, then this may be something that, you may be interested in. Okay, back into the kitchen, living, dining area. And on the right hand side of the property, we have 2 further bedrooms. So that's the ensuite that we'll have a look at in a short while. So this is the second bedroom. Again, I think it's a really good sized bedroom compared to the bedrooms that we've seen in the other developments that we featured on the channel. There are 2 windows in here to let that natural light in. Again, the detail in the ceiling as well. There are no spotlights in this bedroom, but there is detailing in the ceiling that I really like. You have your built-in closet, and you have space on top of the closet again as additional storage. I think what I would have liked to have seen in this room, and I think throughout the property and the other bedroom, is the dressing. It's a lovely room size. I think maybe the dressing, it could have been dressed a little bit, a little bit more eloquently, I think, a little bit more nicely, but nonetheless, it is a good sized room. Okay, and into the ensuite bathroom for the second bedroom. So this is a shower room, and you can see it's tiled from top to bottom. This is a nice little extra. This is an additional storage cupboard within the bathroom. Nice area to store towels and just an extra storage area, which is always nice. Nice feature with the lights above the mirror. And like I said guys, this bathroom is fully tiled from top to bottom. Shower. I think I would have liked to have seen a nice big shower head in here also. I think that's something that I would change, but that's just a personal touch for me. I love big shower heads. Okay, onto the third bedroom, which has been dressed as a child's twin bedroom. Again, a good space in here also. And again, it's got those 2 windows in here to let that lovely natural light in. Again, it's got the detail in the ceiling work. It doesn't have the spotlights, but it does have that detail in the ceiling work. Got your built-in closet, again with the space on top. And at the back you have the bathroom. Again, a nice feature. This bathroom also has that additional closet space, for extra storage, which I really love. And this bathroom is actually identical to the bathroom that we've just seen in the second bedroom. And again, with that shower head, I would have liked to have seen a nice big shower head, but like again, that's a small thing that you can change, and that's just a personal touch for me. Okay, let's have a look at that room again. Third bedroom dressed as a twin. Okay, back into the dining, living, kitchen area. And out through the kitchen into the back garden. So you have this little kind of porch area where you can have your chairs, you can sit out here. And we have the laundry room. So you have ample space for your washing machine and your dryer. What I like here is that there are 2 wash basins, which is really nice. And let's have a look at the space now, guys. So this is the space at the back. And what's nice with this is that they provide an extra wash tub at the outside, an outside wash tub, which is nice. So let's just have a look at the back of the property. So this development does come with 24-hour security, swimming pool, park area, kids playground, fitness centre, and stone paved ways and a jogging trail. And there you can see that space at the side of the house, at the back, and we'll go around to the other side. So guys, this is a 3-bedroom. They will be building 4 bedrooms, they will be building 5-bedroom houses, apartments and townhomes also. And around the other side of the property, and again you can see where the apartments are being built there. So this is definitely a bigger lot size from the ones that we featured, and definitely bigger house size as well. Okay guys, so like I said, it is this development is off the Linstead bypass in St Catherine, very close of course to Bogwalk, and if you know anything about Bogwalk, you know that there is a place where they sell all the fresh fruits, so we had to stop and get some fruits. We couldn't leave and not pick up something.
One point can back, man. Find cotton, steel like a key in your head. Cantaloupe, papaya, voilà, Ori. What's the flowers on it?
Small flowers and big ones.
Small flowers. What's that mangoes?
150, 200 and 250.
Oh, that custard apple. Nice.
So yes people, we just stopped at where's this, Bogwalk, where they sell all the fruits that you would have just seen, and we've got 2 mangoes. Yeah, 2 mangoes. These were $150 each, $300 for the 2 of them.
Now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.